Hey, what's going on? I'm Devon Holland, and today I'm going to be sharing with you in this new episode of Dumbbells Only the best 4 dumbbell exercises that you can do for abs. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. Here I will be sharing with you how to perform exercises, how to create your own fitness and nutrition program so that you can hit your fitness goals and feel amazing. So go ahead and like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment area. Let me know where you're from and let me know what you're interested in learning. All right, let's get moving. We're going to start off examining the muscles we're going to use, starting with the rectus abdominis. Then we have the internal obliques and the external obliques, and a little bit of the serratus anterior. In this first exercise, the plank transfers, we'll be using that serratus anterior as we maintain our posture. The first thing you want to recognize is that your feet are going to be shoulder width apart. You want a nice steady base. That way your hips aren't rotating as much and you can maintain your form. Second, you want to reach under your arm and pull it through. I know a lot of times I've seen people reach from the side and push it across, but you really want to pull the weight through just so you can maintain your core throughout the entire movement. Also, you want to make sure those hips aren't twisting too much. Try to keep those hips as steady as possible. In this modified version, you're just going to bring your knees down from the low plank position. That way you can maintain your form. It reduces the challenge of the exercise, but it still allows someone that's a beginner to do this exercise. The side plank with the twist, of course, this is one of my favorites. This one, we're going to be using a dumbbell. Make sure that elbow is in vertical alignment with your shoulder, and make sure that you are holding that position nice and strong by keeping your hips high so you can engage those oblique muscles. The higher the hips, the more the obliques are engaged. Next, you're going to rotate and make sure you reach behind you to increase that range of motion, and you're going to be reaching straight to the ceiling. Your feet are going to be stacked, knees stacked, and hips. That way you can maintain your posture, and you're really just rotating your upper torso, pushing those hips back just slightly as you reach down and behind you. This next exercise, the side plank twist modified, is you're just going to bring your knee down and make sure you hold your posture nice and strong just like before, but your knee is going to be down and your foot is going to be pushed back, and this is going to help you balance a little bit more. So these exercises may not fit your needs. If you are a novice and you haven't really developed your core, using dumbbells during a workout specifically for abs may not benefit you and could be dangerous. So if you have some underlying back issues or you're a novice and you haven't really trained, these exercises won't be for you. But if you click this link, it will take you to a video for my beginners program, which will show you exercises that might fit your need more. So go ahead and click that link. But also, for those who may not be able to do the exercises to a full extent, make sure you pay attention to the regressive alternatives that I show you at the end. That way you can really perform these exercises to the best of your ability without injuring yourself. Following those plank twists are the Russian twist. This is a great oblique, actually all around exercise. You're going to hit those obliques, internal, external, and the rectus abdominis. Start off with your feet lifted. Lean back just slightly. If you have lower back problems, this exercise will not be for you. So maybe do the modified version or just exclude this exercise altogether. While you're doing the twist, make sure you're engaging those core muscles, not just twisting and using whatever muscles are engaged. Sometimes those back muscles like to get locked in, so make sure you are engaging that core, almost crunching in, twisting from side to side. I like to reach down as far as I can while I'm doing these and rotating the shoulders, not just putting the hands down to the side. As you can see, those shoulders are rotating more in this modified version. While you're doing the modified, just keep your feet on the floor. If you can't hold yourself up in this angle, go ahead and shove your feet under maybe a bench or under some weights. That way you can lean back and get those obliques working. This next exercise, the toe reach crunches, this is a really great core exercise. I find that it works my rectus abdominis pretty good. You're going to raise your feet up, have that dumbbell working towards your feet. And again, this is one of those exercises, if you have low back problems, this is probably not going to be for you. But if you don't, and you want to really work your core very well, this exercise is going to be great. Make sure your arms are straight up and you're not reaching behind your head for this one. Sometimes I do, but not for this particular exercise. We want to make sure we stay engaged throughout the entire movement pattern and just focusing on engaging the core, engaging the abs, and reaching that dumbbell towards your feet. This modified version is basically just a sit-up. You're going to take that dumbbell and reach just right over your knees, not too far down. You don't have to touch your toes, but you're going to keep your feet planted on the floor and take that weight and reach right over your knees. So very simple, basically doing the same exercise, but your feet are going to be down. Again, if you can't hold that position, put some weights on your feet. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I have more great content coming out just like this, where I teach you step by step how to do certain exercises, how to create workout plans, and how to get to your goals. If you have a comment, put it in the comment area. Let me know where you are in the States or out of the States. Keep me posted. I love talking to you guys. I'm almost at 300 subscribers and I just started. I am stoked. Thank you guys. I love you guys. And like I said, if you have any comments, go ahead and put it in the comment area. And until next time, let's keep moving.